Any second now.
Any second now. Gnasher is coming to bite out the superstar.
Dennis! Dennis!
Dennis, get here right now. Your dad wants to ground you for life.
Your turn to mow the lawn! Your turn! Dice code! Shoo!
Shoo away, Dennis, because he's a crappy troublemaker.
Avoiding chores. Dennis! Dennis! You're...
He's trying to learn the moves of the tipped superstar that can do tipped moves like Dennis.
Mr. Ha-Ha's! Fantastic!
Mr. Ha-Ha's crappy bubble mixture to create everyone to crappy giggle.
Too much ice cream! Too much laugh! Too much laughing!
Dennis has some bastard and shit hiccups now. Shoo away, Dennis and Gnasher, because Dennis has bastard and dick and shit hiccups, and Gnasher can destroy the school in 30 seconds.
And... Oh!
Dennis still has to go to school, even though he has bastard and shit hiccups.
Wash the car! Dennis! Your turn to wash
Your time to wash the silly old annoying car.
the car! Oh. Too slow!
Too slow, Dennis. Walter earns money, you don't, because you hate money.
Dennis! Oh, then you won't get... Here goes!
Tries to blow his mouth, but the hiccups fail to cure. And it looks like he has more bastard and shit hiccups than anymore. His face is about to explode.
I know how... Is that the Colonel's recipe... Clean up. That's no replacement
That's no replacement for Dennis's bastard and shit hiccups.
for having Dennis... There's your problem.
There's the problem. Dennis has bastard and shit hiccups while he's bouncing on that bounceable crap.
Not hiccup. No. When it's the ha-ha mega jump.
The ha-ha mega jumper of shit.
Open. D3. Shout as loud as you...
Shout as loud as you can at Curly and Pieface and you'll get grounded for your life.
possibly can. Good. No. Say, Dennis, go to the park.
Go to the park and go lay down. You've been the worst kid in the world.
Where we...
Yes, it ruined their life. Ruined their life.
Wow, Pieface, how did you do that? My sister taught me crochet. With them.
Dennis still has more bastard and shit hiccups. They're getting even more worse than ever.
Your hiccups. Yours don't work either. They're useless.
They're useless crap.
Very.
Now Dennis has cured his hiccups. He can go see the weird superstar.
Errol, a bit of a... No, just the thing.
Call the paramedics to help him with his back. Also, he has buses and shit hiccups.
Hello, Auntie Beryl. Could you and Auntie Brunella pop down to the cinema? I've got a bit of a problem here and I think you're the ones who can sort it out for me.